If you're looking for a fully featured Class C RV, one that's compact with no slides, then this is going to be the best 2 minutes of your day. What we are going to show you is the Quantum LC22. This is the luxury collection. The decor is called charcoal diamond and the cabinets are coastline gray. You have a curbside kitchen and this is everything you need for your getaway. For counter space, you have a flip-up extension, wash up in the single bowl sink, and I want to point out the storage you have underneath. You have a 3-burner gas cooktop, and down below is the oven. Right above that stove, you'll find your microwave. There are more cabinets above for storage, and you have your control panel on the entry, so you can easily monitor your coach, check your tank levels, even start the generator. For seating, you get a dream dinette, and you'll spend some time here for meals, or maybe getting work done, or keeping in contact on the old laptop when you connect to the Winegard Connect 4G hotspot and Wi-Fi extender. There are no poles to take out, no legs to flip, simply turn a handle and you can make this dinette into a bed. You'll really appreciate all the large cabinets where you can store games, blankets, anything else you need. There's also a nice sized closet back here too. You do get a full bath in the LC22. That means you get a sink, a toilet, even a shower. And that's a great feature to have in a motorhome of this size. You do have a queen size bed in the back, and what's really nice about this is say you're making a very, very long drive and you're going to take shifts. Many times people do go back and catch a few Z's before it's their turn to take the wheel. Over the cab, you do have this very large bunk and it has an 800-pound capacity, so you can fit 2 up here and not have to worry about it. You can get the LC22 on either a Ford or a Chevy chassis. Now the Ford has 350 horsepower and 468 pound-feet of torque. The Chevy V8 gives you 323 horsepower and 373 pound-feet of torque. Whatever chassis you have underneath, the dash layout has everything you need. Both give you steering wheel controls. You have a touchscreen radio with satellite radio and Bluetooth connectivity. There are some big features in this small motorhome, and you can dig into all the specs of the Quantum LC22 at thormotorcoach.com.